everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Srishti and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this super trendy sweatpant joggers. This is the easiest way to make it and will look like they're store-bought. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first I'm going to start with drafting the pattern. You will be needing drafting paper, scale, pencil. French curve and hip curve are totally optional. If you have it, use it. If you don't, hand draw it, not a problem. Fleece fabric, paper cutting scissors, fabric scissors, tailor's chalk, measuring tape and denim jeans. Okay, so I'm using the straight fit jeans as a guide. I'm going to start with marking the midpoint of the bottom like so. Then trace the inner leg and crotch portion. And then mark the midpoint of the waist as well. Next, I'm reshaping the crotch with French curve and hip curve. And the inner seam with hip curve and scale. Then I'm drawing a straight line connecting the two midpoints. Then I'm adding 7 cm from that line and connecting the top and bottom points. And then I'm using the same pair of jeans again and matching the center of the jeans to the new marked point. And then tracing the sides of the jeans. Again using the hip curve to reshape the curve at the top and then using a scale to trace the rest. Reshape the waist as well. Now for the front, very neatly fold the jeans, especially the crotch portion. And then start tracing. Do the same as I showed for the back. Mark the center of the waist and bottom. Then mark the waistline of the front and not the back like I'm showing. You might get confused, so remember, mark the one which has buttonhole. Then repeat the steps which I showed for the back. Draw a straight line from the center and add 7 cm. Then match the center of the jeans to the new 7 cm point and then trace it. Once everything is done, add 1 cm to both front and back pieces and cut them. Then trace it on fabric and cut 2 pieces of front and 2 pieces of back. Now for the pockets, trace the shape of your palm like I'm showing and cut 2 pieces. And use it to trace and cut 2 more pieces. Then place both front pieces right on right and pin the crotch curve. Do the same for the back as well and stitch it. With a triple straight stitch or zigzag stitch. Now leave 3 to 4 inches from the top and place the pockets facing down and pin it. Do this for the front as well as the back. Once done with that, top stitch in between the pocket and jogger seam line. After which, place both front and back parts facing right on right and stitch the sides including the pockets. Now pin the inner seam and stitch it. Then finish the raw edges with zigzag stitch or overlock stitch. Next, use an elastic and stretch it around your ankle like so and see if you can take it off easily. Cut 2 pieces of elastic for the bottom. Then join the 2 ends of the elastic and flatten it and then stitch it again. Now pin the elastic like so to the side and inner seam. And then attach the elastic at the bottom with a zigzag stitch. Remember to pull the elastic while stitching. Then fold it inwards and stitch it again. Stitch it again while stitching. Next, measure the waist round of the joggers. And exclude about an inch. And cut a piece of rectangle which is 4 inches wide. And then fold it in half. Measure your waist by stretching the elastic around your waist. Make sure it is not too tight or not too loose. Then place the elastic on the folded waistband and pin it just next to the elastic so that it is easy to stitch. Then stitch it very carefully and slowly in a straight line. Once done with that, grab a safety pin and attach it to the elastic. Now thread the elastic through the waistband and stitch the sides. And then finish the raw edges. Next, make 2 stitch lines parallel to each other. Lastly, pin the seam of the waistband to the center back and center front of the waistband to the center front of the joggers and sides to the side seams evenly. And stitch it. Stitch on the already existing stitch of the waistband so that it looks nice and clean. And that's it. The jogger sweatpants will be ready in 20 minutes or less.
Maybe I wish you were mine, girl. Maybe I wish you took time, girl.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.
She's gonna tell you